Welcome to our roundup of the best 100-watt solar panels. Whether you need reliable power for camping, RVs, emergency backup, or off-grid setups, these panels deliver strong efficiency, durable construction, and dependable performance in all conditions. We will break down key specs like output efficiency, build quality, portability, and charging capability to help you choose the right option for your energy needs. Do not forget to check the description box for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect 100-watt solar panel for you. The first on the list is the FlashFish 100W solar panel. Designed with versatility in mind, the FlashFish 100W solar panel is a great choice for travelers who need dependable energy wherever they go. Featuring high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, it delivers steady performance even under low-light conditions. This ensures consistent power delivery throughout the day, ideal for charging FlashFish power stations and other devices through its multiple USB-A, USB-C, and DC outputs. Another key advantage is its foldable, lightweight design, weighing only 8.6 pounds. The integrated carrying handle and quick folding mechanism make it easy to transport, whether you're hiking, camping, or road tripping. Durability is also a major plus. The panel's water-resistant Oxford cloth exterior protects it from light rain and dust, making it suitable for outdoor use. Overall, the FlashFish 100W is a dependable, travel-friendly solar panel that combines efficiency, lightweight construction, and multi-device compatibility perfectly. Next up is the Tality SP100. The Tality SP100 is a well-balanced portable solar panel that delivers strong performance for campers, RV users, and outdoor explorers. With a high conversion efficiency of up to 23%, it captures more sunlight and converts it into usable power faster than many panels in its class. This makes it perfect for quickly charging portable power stations, phones, or laptops while on the go. Its ETFE laminated surface adds impressive durability, protecting it from scratches, moisture, and harsh sunlight, ensuring consistent performance even in demanding environments. Another standout feature is its wide device compatibility, supporting multiple connectors like DC, USB, and Type-C ports. This means you can use it with most power stations on the market, from EcoFlow and Jackery to Bluetti and FlashFish. Overall, the Tality SP100 offers an excellent balance of efficiency, durability, and convenience, making it a reliable solar companion for outdoor and emergency power needs. Next, we have the Alpowers 100W balcony power plant. The Alpowers 100W model brings innovation to the portable solar market by blending flexibility, smart design, and high output. Built with advanced polycrystalline solar cells, it achieves conversion rates up to 22%, ensuring efficient energy capture throughout the day. What makes it stand out is its plug-and-play microinverter system, allowing users to directly feed solar energy into a balcony outlet or portable power station without complex wiring. This unique design makes it ideal for apartment dwellers or anyone wanting an easy, space-efficient renewable power setup. The panel's foldable frame and waterproof construction enhance its outdoor durability, while the integrated handles make carrying and mounting effortless. Setup is simple: unfold, plug in, and start generating clean energy instantly. Overall, the Alpowers 100W balcony power plant is an excellent choice for those who want smart, sustainable power generation in a compact and efficient design. Next, we have the Asunge 100W flexible solar panel kit. If you're looking for a solar panel that combines adaptability with strong performance, the Asunge 100W kit is a great pick. It features flexible monocrystalline cells that allow the panel to bend up to 30 degrees, making it ideal for curved surfaces like RV roofs, boats, or tents. This flexibility offers installation versatility that rigid panels simply cannot match. With an efficiency rating of up to 24%, it ensures reliable energy conversion even in partial shade. The panel's lightweight design, weighing only 4.6 pounds, makes it incredibly easy to carry and mount. The waterproof PET coating and strong polymer layers enhance durability against weather elements, ensuring a long lifespan. Overall, the Asunge 100W flexible solar panel kit stands out for its ultralight build, adaptability, and impressive efficiency, making it perfect for travelers, campers, and RV owners who need a versatile, space-saving solar solution. The last one on our list is the Dokio 100W flexible solar panel. The Dokio 100W solar panel blends efficiency and practicality in a slim, easy-to-handle package. Built with high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, it delivers stable energy output while remaining lightweight and compact. Its super-thin flexible body can easily be mounted on curved surfaces, making it ideal for marine, RV, or off-grid setups. Despite its slim profile, the panel is durable and weather-resistant, with a waterproof surface that protects against rain, dust, and wind. Installation is quick and straightforward, as the panel comes with pre-drilled holes and compatibility with various charge controllers and battery systems. It performs well in direct sunlight and retains solid output under moderate cloud cover. Overall, the Dokio 100W flexible solar panel is a lightweight, efficient, and durable choice that delivers great performance for off-grid users seeking portability without compromise. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech and gear reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay powered wherever you go.